All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Trading the Markets. I am your host, Tone Vays, coming to you live this Wednesday morning, New York time. It is 11:10. I got exactly 15 minutes. And after that, I got to go meet up with my friend Surfer Jim. Only in town for a few more days, and then off to Panama once again. Okay, guys, without any further ado, we're going right to the charts. Markets pumped yesterday, but as you can see, all of those gains are already gone. And this goes to say that market will do what it does, and it doesn't really matter what some official from the government has to say about it. Okay, so this is going to be a super quick update. Nothing has changed. Everything I said in the last two videos continues to hold true. And we are being rejected right here, right now. If we rally into the circle, which is between 24,000 and 26,000, if we rally into the circle sometime this month, or very, very early March, I would still consider it to be an area of resistance for a rejection. If, on the other hand, we continue to fall the rest of this month into $21,000 area, then I would consider the pullback to be ending and ready to challenge 24,000 once again. But this time around, I will have lots of confidence that it will be broken to the upside. And this is great for our allocation. I would love to pick up additional allocation to my Bitcoin bullish trade somewhere in the vicinity of 21,000. We have an MRI top, which I don't really pay attention to all that much on this time frame, but I am still eyeing that 1 to 4 candle correction, followed by new upside. Oh, real quick, we are going to start doing spaces. I have been a guest on many spaces. I was just in spaces a second ago for Swan Cafe Bitcoin. The Financial Summit will start doing a financial economic price space. I think we set it up. I was in a space, and Financial Summit handle and myself were in a space. I thought it was going to be tweeted out. 1 second. We set it up, but we haven't made it public yet. But you really want to follow the Financial Summit's Twitter handle, because Financial Summit is going to be hosting economic trading price spaces. It's probably going to start on Sundays, and then we'll see if we move it into the week. And I will be a frequent guest on the Financial Summit's spaces to talk about the markets, and that's where you guys will get a chance to speak and ask your questions. Spaces is one of the best places for that. And we'll likely start doing another one with the unconfiscatable Twitter handle for Bitcoin stuff, but this is going to be more trading and market stuff. Okay. As always, the Financial Summit will be taking place in Dubai in November, followed closely by Unconfiscatable, taking place in Las Vegas in December. Check out the websites. Daily chart. The daily chart had a nice daily candle yesterday, and it's all being given up today. So it looked like we were going to rally on Fed statements, but in reality, the markets are just in a pullback. I don't think this is of any concern. I see a very clear line right at the bottom of these candles, and the break of this line creates a very likely scenario of Bitcoin pulling back to its 50-period moving average. Now, by the time it gets there, the 50 period should be higher. So once again, we are looking at a $21,000 area of very, very nice support. That's about it. I don't really think there's anything on a short-term scale of hourly charts. Beautiful shooting star candle that took place yesterday at 8 p.m. New York time. Did not come in on an MRI top. There was an MRI buy on the hourly chart, which if I had bought Bitcoin here off the hourly MRI, I would have been stopped out of my trade for a loss on the red star candle, and I would have avoided this catastrophe. And that is how you properly trade the MRI. So those that have the MRI, make sure you watch that 5-hour video that explains it. Those interested in the MRI will need to go to vays.com, products and services, MRI indicator, and read this entire page before paying $400 for it. Traditional markets, then we're going to open a pack. Man, someone, so frustrating. Anyway, I'll talk about that later. Nothing really to say on GBTC. Let's look at oil and gold and natural gas. Oil is starting to pump already. I was hoping to see that low next month. And I had this discussion earlier where I told people that, getting it all the way down, this is a monthly look. Let's go to the weekly look. Where I told people that buying oil below 70 is, I think is unlikely unless it goes way lower. So I don't see oil bouncing from 66. I either see oil bouncing from these prices right here, right now, or going lower than 66. I don't really see this as the best area, though maybe I see 66, but not 69, let's say. So if we make it to exactly 70, I would expect us to at least go down to 66, but I don't really think we're going to make it down to 70. I think we're just going to get stuck here for a little bit, and then next month we should start rising. No time to comment on natural gas. I am back to being slightly bullish on gold. And of course, I am bullish on the S&P 500 with the break of the prior swing high, break over the downtrend line, the break above the moving averages. Moving averages are about to cross. Everything is TA is all swinging bullish for the markets. Wow, the Arun hasn't even crossed yet. That is interesting. It should cross next candle though. Correlation is, of course, there. Okay, can you look at the Bitcoin gold chart? Not today. I do have to run. In case anyone is curious where I'm going to be the next 6 hours. So this is what I do sometimes. I sometimes telegraph where I'm going to be only because you have to be living in that area and you have to be financially independent to just drop what you're doing and come and meet me. So in case anyone's wondering where I am for the next 6 hours, and you want to go on an Easter egg hunt, you're going to find me as what we refer to as the Russian bathhouse. Now, the word Russian is now evil, and anything that has the word Russian in it is evil and pure evil, so I don't expect anyone to show up. But the place is called Wall Street Baths. It is a mostly saunas. You can click on the link, and I'm not even sure if it's Russian, but it's Russian speaking. I have no idea if the owner is Ukrainian or Georgian or Kazakhstani. A lot of Kazakhstanis work there though. But Russian is the language most people will be speaking there. So there you go. If you happen to be near downtown Manhattan, that's where you'll find me between noon and about 4 or 5 p.m. And next week, you'll find me somewhere in Panama. All right. Where were we? Oh yeah, I'm gonna open a pack. Oh, one more. Okay, here's the frustrating part. Where's my notifications? So in the last 2 days, a couple of like people, all they did was buy 2 of these packs. 2, just 2. Old pictures. Old pictures of Tone partying or surfacing on the internet. That was fun. I remember that. That was right after one of the blockchain cruises. Shout out Abby for posting those. Where is... I just replied to something. Profile. When am I coming to Nashville? I've never been to Nashville. I want to go to Nashville. One of these days I'll come to Nashville. Drink some bourbon. Now that I've had enough tequila tasting, I kind of want to try some Tennessee whiskey. Bourbon is Kentucky. I know. I'm like committing heresy right now. Where are my replies? Yeah, so this person bought like 1 or 2 packs and he pulled one of the 15 most rare cards in the whole series. So there is 15. Here it is. It's a 1 of 1. They cost over $100 to make, according to the creator of these packs. And there's only 15 of these. Each one is different. So 15 of the regular cards have this very special, ridiculous hologram. And you can see that that's a 1 of 1. There is a 1 of 1 of me as well. But no one has claimed ownership of it yet. There's a 1 of 1 of Rusty that has been found. There's one more 1 of 1 that's been found. So I personally am on a hunt for a 1 of 100 of Tone Vays and Max Kaiser and the Cypherpunk card. Those are the ones I really, really need. And that would complete my set. And then it would be nice to get just one of these 1 of 100. And then maybe I would trade it for myself. That's a really kind of cool looking one to get. I don't know what's in the back of this. I managed to open this pack without knowing what's on the back. I don't know how I'm going to go through it without knowing what's on the back. I'm going to do my best. I really want to be surprised for a change. We're going to stop the screen share. We're going to show the cards. I have not seen the back card. I managed to avoid that. Resources card is going to show you the cool graphics. I know you've all seen these already. I've been doing so many. I got so many of these education cards. I have so many of these as well, because I'm now on my 2nd box. I may have to buy another one. This is, oh, I don't have a lot of these. The Bretton Woods Agreement. I actually don't have a lot of these. I think I have like 1 or 2. Everything else I have a lot of. Fold, got a lot of these. I'll be giving them out at Unconfiscatable. I'm going to bring all my extras. Super cool card. I have like maybe 3 or 4 of these. It's great. It's the Halving? Yeah, the Halving with the samurai. Great, great art. Very busy card. This is the Dictatorship, or more like, you know, the brainwashing by mainstream media. Influencer. Frederick von Hayek. I did not have a lot of these. I have a lot of von Mises, but I don't have a lot of Hayeks. That's a good one to get. And this is the Marshmallow Experiment. Got a bunch of these. And slight disappointment. I did not get one of the rare 1 of 100 cards. I got another Zimbabwe. I believe I literally got this one on the last pack that I opened on the last video. I am going to leave it here. I am only going to open 1 pack today. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. I need to go get my Steam on. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye, guys. We'll take a sneak peek at the live chat. Basil Hayden's is one of my favorite inexpensive everyday bourbons. I'm not into bourbons. I'm not into whiskey. I'm not into Scotch. I know they're similar. And I'm not really into them. And I find them very hard to drink, unlike aged tequila. But I will say, I found one. It was down in Panama at a Scottish pub. I was trying a bunch of different whiskeys. And the Lagavulin 16-year was excellent. Excellent. Until I find something better, I will stick to that one. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. And I will see you all on the next one.